Hello, and welcome to the webinar covering the Agile Ticketing Update for version 6.18. We are very excited to introduce you to the significant benefits to the Agile Ticketing System. The first enhancement we are going to cover today is AgileLink. With this new feature, you can connect your patrons with live streaming and video on-demand content from multiple video platforms. Let's take a look. Live streamed and video on demand content is set up in a very similar way as any other event or show in Agile Ticketing. We will start by taking a look at some video on demand events we already have set up in our Film Agile folder. Looking at our Big Buck Bunny event, we will see that there are a few differences from a normal ticketed event. The event type is set to streaming, and we have some streaming custom properties to control how and what content the customer will purchase or get access to. The streaming enabled property will be set to true to enable the streaming and embedded content. The streaming type controls what partner or site is being integrated with. These can be set to video platforms such as Bitsena, Brightcove, Vimeo, Vimeo Live, and Vimeo Showcase. Zoom meetings are also supported. We also have generic options to connect with other services. The purchase URL option allows you to define an external site that the customer can go to purchase the content. The external URL option allows you to define the site the user gets forwarded to once they complete their purchase. The frame source option allows other embedded content like YouTube Live, Crowdcast, or any other provider that has embed widgets. In this case, we are dealing with a secured Vimeo video, so I have chosen the default Vimeo option. The streaming type works in coordination with the streaming ID and streaming site URL to define the video ID or URL containing the content. In this case, I have the ID of the Vimeo video defined. The streaming window type and streaming hours control how access is controlled to the content. First watch defines that once they start watching the content, they have 48 hours to complete it. Purchase date defines that once they purchase the content, they will have 48 hours to complete viewing it. Open to all defines that everyone has access to the content without a purchase as long as it's between the start and end date of the event. Open to members defines that active members have access to the content between the start and end date of the event. The streaming prompt allows you to change the wording on the button in the site and confirmation emails. This can be helpful for Q&A events where you might want to say join live Q&A at 10 p.m. on June 14th, or just watch now as we have it for the video on demand title. The streaming purchase prompt allows you to change the wording of the purchase button so you can say something other than buy tickets if you would like. Let's take a look at how the customer accesses the streaming content. We will go and purchase the video that I would like to watch. I will buy access to Big Buck Bunny and return back to the list, and also go ahead and access Tears of Steel. And at that point, if the customer had a ticket pack or member benefits, they would get access to their free or discounted pricing, as always. We will proceed to checkout. And finish purchasing. Once the order is completed, we will see our order confirmation, as well as receiving this information as an email receipt. We can click on the Watch Now button to start watching the title immediately. Because this one is based on first watch, we'll see that it tells us we have 48 hours to watch once we start viewing, and at this point we can decide whether we want to watch this now or view it at a later time. So since I want to go ahead and start watching it, I'll click View Now. The video content will be embedded. We can expand to full screen and go ahead and watch or cast that content to a big screen. For the other streaming title, the organization is not allowing me to watch that until a particular date. So it tells me that I have to wait until access can begin on June 5th at 5 p.m. This is used quite frequently to control when access to video on demand titles start and end. It would also be used for live events that will actually occur at a specific time. Another way of controlling access to the content is through geo-blocking. In the system control area, we can define the streaming radius. We can say that the customer must be in the same state or country as the organization, or we can define a radius in number of miles from the organization's zip code. This helps to restrict content to a geographic region based on the organization, content creator, or distributor's needs. The next enhancement we are going to cover today is our digital wallet integrations with Apple Wallet and Google Pay. This adds support for digital membership cards, passes, and event tickets for both smartphone platforms, in addition to our normal e-delivery options. We also support geofencing, so customers are alerted by the Wallet app when they get close to the theater or event. Let's take a look. It's really simple to enable the digital wallet integrations. In System Control, there are values to turn on the option by checking the Enable Mobile Wallet. We can control the look and feel by setting foreground and background colors, as well as a wallet logo. We can set the latitude and longitude for our organization to control the geofencing for memberships and passes. For events, the latitude and longitude of the venue will control the geofencing setting. For membership programs and passes, we can go to their properties and check the mobile wallet enabled option for those that we want to allow to be put into the wallet apps. With these values set, the current e-delivery method will present new options to the customer to add their items to their wallet during their order confirmation. Let's take a look at how this works for customers on Apple phones. The customer will make a purchase like normal and choose the e-delivery method during their order. When they get to the order confirmation, they can choose to add tickets to their mobile device. We choose the Add to Apple Wallet option. We click on our membership and click Add in the top right corner to add this to our wallet. I'll go ahead and do this for our tickets as well. And when I look in the Wallet app, I will see my memberships and tickets. I can click on the membership and view the basic details. I can also see more detailed information by clicking the three dots button in the top right corner. Tickets work the same way. I can look at the basic ticket information or look at the detailed information. Another way that members can access their digital membership card is through their My Benefits area in their online account. If the membership has mobile wallet enabled, they will see the option to add to the respective wallet app. And this will also work alongside printed membership cards as well. Let's take a look at how this works for customers on Android phones. It is very similar as we saw previously. We will start from the order confirmation and choose to add tickets to your mobile device. We choose the GPay Save to Phone option. Memberships and tickets are added to the wallet by clicking on the respective button. I can click to go ahead and open the app now that I've added my membership and tickets. I can see the basic details. at the top of the screen, and I can scroll down to see further detailed information about my membership card. And I can do the same with my tickets as well. The great thing about the app integrations is the dynamic features of the tickets and memberships. If information about the person's tickets or membership changes, the wallet will receive an update automatically to make sure it has the latest information. Also, with the geofencing feature, as the customer gets close to the venue, they will be presented with their membership and tickets automatically. Let's take a look at some new enhancements that were made to the Sales app. In Point of Sale, we now have an option to search for events by keyword. In a large list of events, we may need to search to find an upcoming event. I can search for the term RIF to find the upcoming event that the customer wants to purchase. Also in Point of Sale, we now show the customer's image when they are attached to an order. I will search for the customer and choose the correct record, and we'll see the image in the bottom right-hand corner. Once the order starts, the image will shrink to the thumbnail size, but we can click on it to make it larger if needed. We also show the image in the customer area in Classic Sales. Also in Point of Sale, we now have enhanced the option for on-demand printing. We can search for an order, and we can click on the printer icon to print all tickets on that order. Also, we have changed the behavior when scanning the barcode on a customer's order confirmation to automatically pull up the order in the search box, and then we can just click on that printer icon for an easier, we'll call, pickup experience. Let's take a look at some new enhancements that were made to the admin app. A search option was added to catalog items to make it easier to find products by name, SKU, or barcode. I can search by blue to quickly find those products in the list. Product and SKU records can also easily be deleted from the list. When deleting it, we will be warned if this product already has sales against it. We can also go down to a product price and print labels for those products. We can go to the price we need to print labels for. We choose the preview ticket option. We can change options such as the ticket or label format. We can choose the printer that we want to print on and click Print Selected. And one last change in the admin app is the addition of another color to differentiate unavailable seats and sold seats in the seat selection module. The next set of enhancements are around some changes to credit card merchant processing. We have updated to the latest version for Authorized.net Gateway integration. Also, we have added support for the new Verifone P400 Plus EMV payment terminal to be used with Moneris. The last items I want to cover today are some new reports that have been deployed. The Top Ticket Buyers report allows you to see customers who have bought at least a certain number or dollar amount of tickets within a time period. Along with the basic customer information, we also include their membership status, level, and expiration to make targeting expired or non-members who purchase large quantities of tickets very easy. The Member Upgrade Downgrade report allows you to see customers who changed membership levels within a time period. The change is categorized as an upgrade, downgrade, equal, or comp based on the difference in price. Along with the basic customer information, we include their previous member level and price, the current level and price, as well as the difference in price between the two.